case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1806, the Supreme Court of Appeals of Virginia heard a case called Hudgins v. Wrights, which centered around the legal principle that a person claiming their freedom must prove that they and their ancestors were not lawfully held in slavery. A group of individuals sued for their freedom, arguing that they were descendants of a free Indian woman named Butterwood Nan. They presented genealogical evidence tracing their lineage back to Nan, and were granted a writ of nexiat when their appellant threatened to remove them from the state. Although their genealogy was imperfect, witnesses testified to their physical features, and the court determined that they were entitled to their freedom, believing that freedom is the birthright of every human being. The appellant argued that the evidence did not support the appellee's claim to freedom, while the court acknowledged that physical characteristics seemed to influence the decision, despite insufficient evidence for their genealogy. The court ultimately ruled that the appellees deserved freedom, as the appellant failed to meet the burden of proof, showing that Nan or another ancestor was brought into the country under legitimate slaveholding circumstances. The court confirmed that the party claiming an American Indian as a slave held the burden of proof, and that American Indians could not be enslaved since 1708.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.